Yes, today we're gonna be doing the other project, and today's project we shall be dealing with the project known as the robotic driver, or the two-wheel motor robot driver. And this we are going to be using the tool known as R293D. You're going to be having the two DC motors and the other components, and thus you can be able to adjust the speed by using the potentiometer, and thus the motor can go left, or this car can go left, can go right, forward or left by using the four particular buttons. Okay, let us begin. I will show everything in this as we keep on moving forward. The first object that we should have is the Arduino. Okay, the other component that I'm going to put is the LCD display. Okay, the other component I'm going to put, of course, is the R293D, this one here. The other component I'm going to add the DC motor. Yes, here. I'm going to also add the push buttons, and when adding the components you can just press P. Just press P on your keyboard. That's the only way you can add the components. Just here. That's all we need. I told you, when you just want to add any of the components, you can just come here and press here, or you can just press P on your keyboard. Just press P and this table will appear. Then you can select and write the components, any of the components you want to use. I hope that is clear. Okay, let us add these components here. Let us add this. Let us add the two motors. Let us add, yes, we have also to add the potentiometer so that you can be changing our speed manually. You can either increase or decrease the speed of these motors. You're gonna do that also. So let us add also the potentiometer, or the BOT. Let's put it here. Okay, let us join the pins. You can just follow the way I'm joining the pins here. Okay, that's enough. Let us also connect these pins on our R293D. Let us connect some of the pins here into the Arduino, Let us begin with this pin number 2 here. This pin number 2, we go directly to pin number 6, pin number 7, directly to pin number 7, pin number 1, directly to pin number 8, pin number 9 to pin number 9, pin number 10 to pin number 10, pin number 15 to pin number 10. Then also these ones here, I think I have to first rotate them. Yes, this way is good. Okay, that's connected the pins. Okay, let us add some. Okay, first of all, let us connect our push buttons too. This one here too. Okay, this way. Okay, now after there, let us put the power at these points here and here. Let us put the power here too. Okay, after that you can just connect to the ground. Connect to the ground here too. Connect to the ground with these two. Let us put the ground here too. Yes, that's all we need for now. Okay, now nothing else to do. I will just try to write the code, because this is all we need for the Proteus. Now we are going to go to the Arduino IDE software and write the codes that are going to be uploaded to the Arduino, and those codes are going to provide the commands on the Arduino and everything that should be taking place in this project. So let us go to the Arduino IDE and write these codes that are going to be uploaded to the Arduino. Let us first include liquid this way. Then let us define some pins. These pins IN1, IN2. You can just copy this. Okay, then afterwards, this is IN1, IN2, this is EN1, EN1, this is IN3, IN4, this is EN2. Let us call this button 1. Button 1. Okay, this is button 2, button 3, this is button 4. Let us also define the potentiometer, P or T. Okay. What are the pins connected to the Arduino? From those pins, the first one, IN1, IN1 is at pin 6, this is at pin 7, and the other one at pin 8. So this is at pin 7, this is at pin 8. No, this is 6, this is 7, and this is 8. Also this way, this is 9, 10, and 11. Pin 9, no, this is pin 10, pin 11, and this pin 9. And for the buttons, are connected to pins A0 to A4. So let us define them here. This is from pin A0, A1, A2, A4, and the POT is connected, or the potentiometer is connected to pin A5. No, let's see. It also the A3. So this is A4. That way. As you can see here, this is pin A4, and the others end at pin A3. Okay. Let's go now. Let us define the pins connected to the liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal LCD. This is from pin 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all. Let us now go and define the pin modes for these pins in our setup loop. IN1 is an output. enjoy the rest. Let us first copy this. Okay, IN2 is also an output. This is also okay. IN1, EN1, I mean EN1 is an output too. EN3, IN3, IN4, EN2, EN2, and here the POT. The potentiometer is the input. This way. Let us go for the buttons. These all are the input pull-ups. Input pull-ups. Then I think that's all for defining the pins. Let us go now for the question of the RCD. RCD.begin. This is a command you have to put always when beginning using the RCD display. Then RCD dot set cursor at 0,0. RCD.print I'm going to print robotic driver. Then on the second line of our screen I'm going to print the word project. Let us first define the cursor. LCD dot set cursor at 0,1. Then this is going to delay for almost 1000 milliseconds. Then you're going to clear this. Yes, this is enough for the setup loop. Now let us go directly to the void loop. Okay, the first thing you have to do in the void loop, first of all, we have to read our potentiometer. Let us say, for example, int, I just call it value is equal to analog read I'm going to read the POT. And after reading this POT, we are going to turn it into, this is the speed now. We are going to map it so that we can get the value that ranges from 0 to to 255, because the analog values always begin from 0 to 1023, but you're going to mark these values so that they may be in the range between 0 and 255. So the values of our potentiometer values in analog, we named them as value. We're going to write here value, then from 0 to 2 to 1023, and from 0 to 255. That's all we need to do. Maybe you can just, we could even do it this way. We could just declare a variable just outside the two loops. That way. Then after doing that, we're going to say if digital lead button 1 is equal to low, meaning that if button 1 is pressed, what are we going to do? We're going to perform the function. This function is going to be declared just outside the void loop, and you're going to write out the codes that when the button 1 is pressed, then this function 1 should be executed. This function, I'm going to name it as forward, because when you press button 1, we want the motor to move forward, the robot to move forward. This way. And you can go else if button 2, now digital lead, button 2 is equal to low. When button 2 is pressed, the robot will move backward. So the function will be backward. I'm going to declare these functions just outside the void loop. Just this way. So this was button 1, button 2. This, let us make it button 3. And this, let us say we have to move left. This is button 4. And you have to move light. This way. And this I did no. Then here it has put else statement backward. It means here stop robot. It means here there's no any button that has been placed this way. Okay, now this is the void loop. This was the void loop. Let us go to these loops now. Beginning with the forward function. So when the button 1 is placed, what should be done? The first thing is LCD, we are going to clear. The other thing, it's 0,0. LCD, we are going to print. We're going to print the speed. We're going to print what speed is there, or what speed you have set at that particular moment. And in this project, we're going to be able to adjust the speed ourselves as we want. So we're going to print the speed. This. Then on the second line, we are going to write the word forward, indicating that now we are moving forward. Okay, and then after, we are going to digitalize I and 1 is going to be I. Then digital I and 2 is going to be low. Then digital right E and 1, we are going to put here, we are adjusting the speed. These pins EN1 and EN2 are the pins to adjust the speed. Now what speed should be there? The speed that we have selected on the potentiometer, this one here. So this speed is, we are going to replace it on EN1, that way. Also, I and 3 is going to be I. And 4 is going to be I2. Then also the digital E and 2, you're going to be having also, you're going to place the speed from the potentiometer. That's all. Let us put some delay, something like 1000. Okay, that is for the forward. When the motor is moving forward, you can just copy this and make some changes for the others. Okay, this is backward. These are the same things. Here we have to put backward too. And the air, N1 should be low, and this should be high. Okay, I low, I, this should be low. Low, high, low, low, high. Okay, let us go for the other one. This is left. This is left too. Left. This is going to be high, low. Again, here it is low, low, high, high, low, low, high. And for the last one too, light, light. This is going to be low, high, low, high, high, low. Okay, and for the last one, this is for the stop motor when no any of the buttons is pressed. Stop robot. I think it's we declared it this way. Stop robot here. So we're going to write here robotic driver. Robotic driver. Let us take off this line. Here, let us write stop robot. Stop robot. Yeah, it's low, 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 and here it's low, low, low. And there's no need for putting the speed here because all the motors will be stopped and won't be moving. So you can take off these two. I think our code is now ready. Let's save it and export the X file. I'll save it here. This file project 2. Just save it robot. Okay, we already got your X file. Then you can come here to the Arduino project and you just do to upload the X file. What you can just do is come here to the Arduino, double click, come this place here, go to the place you just saved your documents or your program of Arduino IDE I just saved it in project 2 somewhere here, and I saved it as robot. Take this X file, upload it, then press OK. Then let us run our project. Okay, let us press the first button. The motor is moving forward at a speed of 127, so we can just increase the speed here or reduce the speed. So you can just see the motors are moving forward. Okay, let us move backward. Then you can see they are just trying to move, to change and begin moving the other direction. As you can see, now the motors are moving in the backward direction at a speed of 181. You can just change the speed from here and just increase. See, now it is 211. Okay, now we can change this to moving left. Now when it is left, this will keep on moving this direction, and the other one will begin moving forward when it is in the left direction. Okay, when it is in the right direction, right. Now this is moving in this direction. We'll begin moving forward, and this moving the other direction, that way. So as you can see, our project is very much okay. What I could just change here, I could put some space between speed and the number, so that you can just be able to see well what the speed is. Just come to the code here, and here after the ready speed, put a little bit of space somewhere here, somewhere here, and somewhere here. That's all you can just do. Okay, you can see now the speed 211, and using the speed 150, that way. So this is a project, and everything is clear here. Please keep on following my account to see a lot of other good projects on Arduino and the Proteus. Thank you.